This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the exact Microsoft account tied to Game Pass Ultimate. Once signed in, go straight to Services and Subscriptions to confirm the subscription state and any recent charge attempts. Make sure the primary payment method is valid and not expired. Update card details or add a new method if needed. While you're there, verify billing address and recent order history so you know whether renewal failed or a competing subscription is active, and then move to adjust settings. Next, look deeper into billing and subscription conflicts to fix access. You should inspect order history for failed payments or pending authorizations. Clear or retry the charge after updating the card. If family settings or another subscription is blocking Game Pass, remove or consolidate those accounts so the ultimate benefits apply. When using redeem codes, make sure you input them on the same Microsoft account. Once done, restart the console or browser to let entitle. Finally, complete the fix by forcing a license refresh. Sign out and back in, or fully restart your console and the Xbox AppSo entitlement sync. Once done, launch a Game Pass title to confirm access. Make sure the app shows ultimate benefits. If you're charged but still locked out, gather receipts and request a refund or open a Microsoft support chat. This often triggers a license reset. If support can't resolve it, escalate with the order ID and a clear timeline of steps you already tried.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.